Here's a tactical protection review I've been waiting for. Bam! Just like that, man. Boom! What's going on, you guys? Byron Rodgers here. Tactical protection review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. Really quick, what can we learn from this apparent just straight up punch in the face? I like this video because it shows you a few different things. Intimidation versus a man of action, okay? It's really dangerous if you're using intimidation because you start to overlook a few different key components, right? My man here, he's leaning in, he's looking intense. You can see from his eyes here, he is intense right now, you know what I'm saying? He's feeling hard, head slanted forward, right? This guy right here, he's laughing. You can see his eyes, he's actually shrouding his eyes is what that's called. It has to do with hiding intentions. It has to do with hiding intent. He's got a arm. He's smoking his little stogie here, supposedly. But really what's going on, he's actually protecting himself. He's got his forearm up and in between himself and the enemy, which obviously he can use to push him away, and also he can take a number of strikes too. So he's actually defending himself while looking like he's relaxed. It's a very common tactic, and you should use it, especially if you're out there doing private security and you need to find reason to have your hands up so you can protect all the important things on your body. If something's escalating, it is a good tactic to find an excuse to put your hands up in your workspace while you're talking and while you're interacting, because you don't know what's going to happen, right? So this is a classic example of intimidation versus action, right? There are a few small target indicators in this video that I want to point out, right? So my man's leaning in, he's looking like he's mean in business. However, he does have a little bit of a grin on his face. To me, it's an indicator that he thinks he's dominating. He thinks he's winning the interaction. He's kind of like, the other dude's kind of joking with him. There's a shred of seriousness, though, in this guy's eyes. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it there. And you can see that my main man here is leaning backwards. He could be leaning back to cower. He also could be leaning back because he's shifting his weight. Camera looks to the right. There it is, right there. So, target indicators. Intimidation dude, making the mistake of being way too close to stogie smoking guy. Stogie smoking guy has his forearm up. He's pretty smart. He's also loading his weight this direction, shifting his weight backwards, and he is loading up that right arm punch. Also, he's probably a righty. So what's he doing smoking with his left hand? Like, these are all different things you need to be able to pick up in a matter of seconds before something like this ends up happening, right? Camera looks to the right, looks around, boom, square shot. And you can tell by my guy, you can just the head movement that was almost for sure a knockout punch. The hair, oh my gosh. Anyways, boom. Don't use intimidation. Remember, combat is a race to cause catastrophic damage to another human being. Intimidation is generally a tactic used by those who don't want to fight. All right, so stay safe out there. Come train with us at this year's Protector Symposium. Go to protectorsymposium.com, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Remember, be peaceful but not harmless. Out. Boom.